Here in this video we will see chapter number 1, relation and function, which is the first and the foremost lesson of part 1 class 12th in mathematics. Dear student, before we jump onto the topic of relation and functions, you need to have a strong base of what is set, what is subset, what is Cartesian product, all these things which you have already studied in your class 11. Dear student, if you are not aware of these things, then let us now once recapitulate it so that you understand it better. Let's start, student. What is set? Set, it is a well-defined collection of an object. Just focus on this word well-defined. That means what? Your definition of collection should not change from person to person. For an example, if I'll say collection of vowels in the English alphabet, if I'll ask you, students, what are the vowels in the English alphabet, I'll get the same answer from every one of you. It is what? A, E, I, O, U. So here your answer is not changing from individual to individual. It is same only, right? Another example of well-defined set, it will be what? Collection of odd natural number less than 10. Here also I will get the same answer from you all. It will be what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here it is also not changing from individual to individual. It is same. So it is called your what? Well-defined set. Now when we talk about not well-defined set, let's see some example of this to understand not what is not well-defined set. Okay, student? So student, these are the example of not well-defined set. First is, who is the best Indian cricket player? If I'll ask you, who is the best Indian cricket player? I will get different answers. Some of you say it's Virat Kohli, some of you say it's Dhoni. So here your answer is varying from individual to individual. So it is not well-defined set. We know that for well-defined set, your answer should not be changed, your answer should be same, right? Now another example of not well-defined set, it will be what? The best 3 songs of 2020. Here also I will get different songs. So it is also not well-defined set. Okay, student? Thank you. I hope you understand this one. What is well-defined set and what is not well-defined set. Thank you.